Hello Tech Explorers! Today, we'll be creating a program that makes the maker board produce a sound and display a built-in pattern when a button is pressed. Each of the four buttons will trigger a unique sound and pattern. Let's begin by adding a My Program block, followed by an infinite loop block to ensure the maker board continues to play sounds and display patterns when a button is pressed. Now, set the pattern and sound that will be displayed when button W is pressed. Next, configure the actions for when button A is pressed, followed by the actions for button S, and then for button D. Lastly, set what the maker board should do when no button is pressed, ensuring the LED panel remains clear.